Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. So now today I will take integration, the new one, integration. Last class we discussed differentiation, application of differentiation. Now important one is integration. If you know the trigonometry, we can do differentiation. If you know the trigonometry and differentiation, now we can do the integration. See, means the basic is trigonometry and differentiation. Okay, I will tell you the definition. Integration. See, integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Integration is what? Inverse process of differentiation. For example, if I take a, its inverse is 1 by a. If you multiply that to, what we get, it is 1. Okay, if a, its inverse is 1 by a. If 1 by a, its inverse is a. Okay, this is integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Okay, consider example. With example I will give the explanation how it exists. Okay, consider differentiation of x to the power 4. And we know that everyone, differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. That is, we say that derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cube with respect to x. Now it is said that the integral of 4x cube means mentioned reverse. Integral of 4x cube with respect to x. This integral of 4x cube with respect to x is x to the power 4. In symbol, this is written as integration of 4x cube dx is x to the power 4. For example, just tell you the explanation how it exists. See, d by dx of x to the power 4 is what? 4x cube. You know that differentiation. Now we are applying the integration both the side. Integration of d by dx of x to the power 4 and here integration of 4x cube with respect to x both the side. And see, integration is inverse. See, differentiation and integration are what? Get cancelled. See, just what I explained. If it is a, its inverse is 1 by get cancelled. The same we get here. Integration and differentiations are get cancelled and left it is x to the power 4. And x to the power 4 can be written as 4x cube. Correct. Did you understand? Okay. Therefore, now it is said that the integral of 4x cube, see the reverse one, integral of 4x cube with respect to x is x to the power 4. And symbolically it can be written as 4x cube dx is x to the power 4. Means, read it as integral, this is the symbol of integration, integral of 4x cube is equal to x to the power 4. Okay, next. The same concept I written here. Differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. Integration of 4x cube dx is x to the power 4. Just I explained. Okay. In the similarly, if we take a constant plus 3, we will get the differentiation of constant what? 0. Therefore, will not affect. Therefore, we can write d by dx of x to the power 4 plus 3 is 4x cube. Or integration of 4x cube. If you apply integration, we will get, see, if we apply integration get cancelled. Integration of 4x cube is x to the power 4 plus 3. Means in generally we can write d by dx of f of x plus c. Constant if you take. After doing the integration, we get it is pi of x. Apply integration of pi of x is f of x plus c. And this integration, we call it as indefinite integral. Exactly, we don't know the value of the integral. That type of integral we call it as indefinite integral. And here pi x is called the integrand. Okay. And c is called the constant of integration. Okay. With the example, I will give the explanation. Once again, see d by dx of x to the power 4. This differentiation is 4x cube. Okay. Now apply integration both the sides with respect to x. And what is the definition? Integration is inverse. If it is a1 by a, what I explained, cancel. Therefore, integration differentiation get cancelled. We get x to the power 4 is integration of 4x cube dx. Okay, or else we can write 4 is constant, 4 integration of x cube to the dx is x to the power 4, or x to the power 4 by 4 is integration of x cube dx. This is the how we can write the integration. Okay, in generally if I take d by dx of x to the power 4 plus 3, consider. Okay, means this differentiation is what? 4x cube. Constant differentiation is 0, need not to worry. Therefore, again you apply integration. Integration differentiation get cancelled. We get integration of 4x cube dx with respect to x, everything is. We will get x to the power 4 plus 3. Means if we take the constant, will not affect. Similarly, we can write integration of pi of x dx is f of x plus c. Okay, here pi x is called integrand. Okay, pi x is called integrand, and x is called variable of integration. X is called variable of integration. And c is called constant. C is called constant integration. And this represent what it is? Indefinite integral. We don't know the exact value of the integration. That's why we say that it is indefinite integral. This is how we can explain this. Now, by knowing this, now I will give the formulas, standard formulas based on the integration. First one, just concentrate here and take d by dx of x to the power n plus 1. Please concentrate with respect to x. Okay, differentiation of x to the power n plus 1. We know the formula. What it is? N plus 1 x to the power n plus 1 minus 1. Because in general we know that differentiation of x to the power n can be written as n x to the power n minus 1. Correct. Differentiation of x to the power n can be written as n x to the power n minus 1. Okay. That one we are applying here. Differentiation of x to the power n plus 1 we can write. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. N plus 1 x to the power n is d by dx of x to the power n plus 1. This is. Okay, now we can apply integration both the sides with respect to x. And we know that integration and differentiation are get cancelled. We get x to the power n plus 1. And just concentrate, n plus 1 is constant, therefore we will take outside. Integration of x to the power n means x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is integration of x to the power n. By using the differentiation, we calculated the value of the integration. Therefore, first formula is d by dx of x to the power n. Please remember that x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Constant we are applying here. If you take c, there is no effect, and this c represent in the form of indefinite integral. Okay, this is how we can calculate. This is not differentiation, I am sorry. This is what? Integration. By mistake I have written here. Integration of x to the power n. Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. How it exists just now explained. Next, second step is calculation of integration of sin x dx. Third one is integration of cos x dx. Fourth one is integration of tan x dx. One by one I will give the explanation how it exists. See. Differentiation of sin x. Just concentrate here. Differentiation of sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Okay. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay. Plus c you can take, no problem. With this. Okay. If you apply plus c, no problem. Next, apply integration. Okay. Integration, differentiation get cancelled. Left integrate. Sin x is integration of cos x. This is the formula. D by dx of, we will take sin of x plus c. Differentiation of sin x is what here? Cos x. Okay. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. And apply integration both the side with respect to x. Integration differentiation get cancelled. We get sin of x plus c is integration of cos x. Again I will take another one, d by dx of cos x plus c. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Apply integration both the side with respect to x. Integration differentiation get cancelled. We get it is cos x plus c is minus the sin x dx. Take minus sign the left hand side. We get it is integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Okay. Therefore, integration of sin x, how we can write? Minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Just now explain how it exists. This is not necessary, but remember how it exists. Okay, this is how we can calculate. Using the differentiation, we calculated the integration. Okay, next calculation, integration of tan x. Now I will do the answer. Integration of tan x is log sec x plus c. Log sec x plus c. Okay. Please remember. But I will give how it exists. See, d by dx of log sec x plus c. Better you take this in the form of modulus sign. Log means always we are taking modulus sign, because it exists in the positive value. Okay, log sec x. Differentiation of log. Log means it is 1 by sec x. Correct? 1 by sec x. And it is function of function. Sec x differential is what? Sec x tan x. Understood? Log sec x. Correct? Log sec x plus c. Did you understand? Here, sec x differential is sec x tan x get cancelled. We get it is tan x. Therefore, apply both the sides. Integration. Log sec x get cancelled. We can write log of modulus of sec x plus c is integration of tan x. Therefore, we can write integration of tan x is log of modulus of sec x plus c. This is how we can write. Okay. Next. Integration of cot x. Integration of cot x dx. is log of modulus of sin x plus c. Log modulus of sin x. Take d by dx of log of sin x. Okay. Differentiation of log of sin x. See, log of sin x, log differential is what? 1 by x. What is your x? Sin x, 1 by sin x differential is what? Cos x, function of function. Means cos by sin, cot x. Integration applies. Integration differential get cancelled. Therefore, integration of cot x is what? Log sin x. In this way, you can calculate. Okay. Next. Differentiation of tan x. Differentiation of tan x. What is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. Correct. Apply integration both the sides. It cancel. Therefore, integration of secant square x. What will get? Tan x. Correct. Therefore, integration of secant square x. We can write tan x plus. Okay. Next. Differentiation of cot x. Differentiation of cot x. What is the differentiation of cot x? Minus cos x square x. Correct. Apply both the side integration. Integration differential get cancelled. Cot x is what? Cot x is minus cos x square x dx. Or integration of cos x square x dx is what? Minus cot x. Okay, therefore we can write integration of cos x square x dx is minus cot x. Means we get integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Okay, next similarly we can calculate. I will write directly here. Integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus integration of cosec x cot x dx is minus cosec x plus next integration of e to the power x dx is e to the power x plus next integration of 1 by x dx log x plus c. Okay, next integration of a to the power x dx is a to the power x by log a to the base e plus. Okay, please remember all these formulas. Next, integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Please remember that differentiation of 1 is 0. Now here integration of 1 is x. How? You know that how to calculate this. Okay, please remember these formulas. What? Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Cos x is sin x. Tan x is log sec x. Cot x is log sin x. Secant square tan. Cosec square minus cot. Sec x tan x sec x. Cosec x cot x minus cosec x. E to the power x e to the power x. 1 by x log x. A to the power x to the power x log a to the base e. 1 x plus c. Better make you separate chart and write down all the formulas. Next class I will use some more formulas based on that. Okay. Thank you.